Today we're going back because they're going to be back there again to put in the well pump. It's going to be connected to our power grid, and from there, hopefully by the end of today, we'll be able to have a pump that allows us to get fresh water, maybe water that we can even drink. So today we're going to be seeing how they install the water pump. It's actually a very, very simple process. Smith's Well Drilling here is back to help me out. They first start with this wire, which is right there, this blue wire, that they're going to tie around the pipe that they're going to lower down with the water pump. There it is, there's the pipe, and they're taping the wire on the outside of it. This is how they do it. At the very end of that pipe is the pump, and you can see that right there.
This has got a 5-year warranty. This is your motor. It's water cooled. The water comes in here. You can see there's a screen underneath there.
Yep.
And then to lift the water inside, there's tons of little parts which create, we lift it one stage to the next stage to the next stage.
From there, they lower the pipes one at a time, and they're going to fasten it like they're showing right there. And they're going to continue lowering that all the way down to where they feel appropriate. I think mine went to about 150 feet or 200 feet, even though the water was visible from about 50 feet. At the very end of that pipe there, you got to get this kind of cover that goes on top of it where the wire comes out of it. And this is the end result. Basically, that's a borrowed water tank that is used to help create the pressure needed to get the water up the well. Here is the conduits that's laid out where the blue wire went through, and that blue wire goes all the way up there and into the power. So this is how the water pump way down below will get the power.
When the switch draws on, the switch is closed, pump is running. Pressure builds up, switch kicks out. Yep.
Okay.
So.
All right. First sign of water at the land. That's awesome. That's actually surprisingly clear. All right, so we just finished wrapping up with day 2 of our well stuff. We have Smith Well Drilling here with Jeff, the founder himself, and Matt and CJ. CJ, right?
Yep.
Cool. And they've been super awesome helping me out here today. It was super simple. But I figured I'll let you guys kind of share a little bit like what you guys did today, what to expect in the future, and so our viewers can kind of like have an idea like what to expect.
You got a great well. I believe it was 320 feet. We got over 10 gallons a minute. Water's nice and clear, no sulfur. So at this point we conducted and installed the pump and a temporary tank, and so we've got water to the cabin for the weekend. And once they complete their build on the main house, then we'll pipe over to that and tie everything in. But at this point everything's looking good. Water quality looks great, and I think you got a great water supply, and our guys at Smith's wouldn't be able to do it without them.
I want to reiterate on the camera, like, these guys did such a good job. They were able to call me really early when the first time when they came and let me know the timing of things. I was a little nervous about, like, I hear a lot of different stories about success stories and failure stories, and they've always been like very honest and upfront about what to expect. Actually, what's your service
We
area?
cover approximately from I-84 north up into Washington County, Saratoga, Albany, Rensselaer, Columbia, Dutchess, Greene, and some parts of Ulster and Orange County.
So a pretty big envelope area of like north, like upstate New York.
Upstate, yes,
upstate New York, right?
Yeah.
So if you guys need somebody like that, just these guys are the guys to call. So really appreciate it. So
We appreciate
thanks
it
again.
already,
Let
my
you guys
friend.
get going.
Thank you.
Thanks, Matt. CJ.
Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Yeah. Okay, so to answer the big question now, how much did it cost me to get a well and to get running water at the land? Well, the total comes down to about $13,000 to dig the well, to have it inspected, to have the well pump installed, to have it connected to the water, to have it basically from a raw piece of land to now with a raw piece of land that has running water. So that's my price over here in upstate New York at this current time of this recording. Of course, that could be different depending on where you are at. But what you should look for really when comparing prices is really the credibility and relationships and customer feedback the company has had in the past, obviously. And also, the number you should kind of be looking at is the price per foot in terms of how much it costs to drill price per foot. And if you're wondering what the results are from my water test, it looks like everything is great in terms of what's expected. There's no E. coli or anything, so it's completely safe to drink. The only thing that was higher than usual is the hardness of the water, mainly because I'm up on a mountain and I have a lot of shell, a lot of rocks. At least that's what I'm thinking. It's the reason. But there's no harm in hard water to drink and shower in. And in the future, once I'm done building the house, I'm going to have a water softener, so it's kinder to the pipes and fixtures of the home. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had a good time following me to learn how to drill a well and how much it costs and how to get running water at your land. I'm super excited for this. It's going to be creating a lot of creature comforts for us and for Sarah and I. And also, we have a very special surprise that's coming our way that will utilize this new access to water. So stay tuned for that. In the meantime, please do like and subscribe. That really helps us with our algorithm as we're trying to build this channel, as I continue to provide good quality content that hopefully will help you out in your journey to build your future home or cabin. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram, where you can see daily updates on what we're doing over there. That's it for now. Take care, and I hope to see you in the next episode. See ya.